The ball comes out! The ball has come out! Derek Johnson, the all-time leading tackler in the history of the Chiefs, with a touchdown for Kansas City!
I'm here. Let's do this!
But I woke up every day. Oh, shit.
Ooh, baby, I've been stuck to you like glue, baby. Wanna spend it all on you, baby. My room is a G-spot. Call me Mr. Flintstone. Call me Mr. Call me. Call me. Call me.
David Bowie, Elton John, Eric Clapton, Bonnie Raitt, Aerosmith, and a lot of people that are brand new, and they're being recognized and given an award. It's tomorrow night on ABC.
ABC. Is this live? Where are they holding these?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in